Hello everybody, it is your baby boomer Kittee Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate, and we are here with the second part of our project bag tutorial. So as you can see, this is where we left off, and as I promised you, this part here is what we're working on next. And guys, when I tell you this is so simple, I'm actually going to take you into this part as well, because this is like super simple. Okay, you have your bottom and you have created your little bow like. All you're going to do from this point is chain one, and you're going to put a single crochet in each one of these. You're going to do that for 9 more rows. I told y'all it was simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Guys, I'll see you at the end of this round. How about that? Okay. Okay, guys. I have come to the end of my round. I'm going to connect in that first, the top of that first single crochet with a slip stitch, pulling tight, because I don't want to use that as a stitch. This is not going to be used as a stitch. And I'm going to chain one, and I am going to do the exact same thing for 8 more rounds. What you want is 10 rounds to make your solid base. So I'll see you back here. Okay guys, just checking in to see how you're doing. So far I'm halfway there. 5 more rounds to go, and we can move on to the next, and I can show you what you'll have done by Friday. How about that? Okay guys, we have reached our 10. I'm actually going to end mine here. I want to change my colors. However you choose to change your color is fine. So how does human recover on a regular basis in this high-density metropolis? Pretty easy. I'm going to start fresh and new. I should have tried my needle threader. I got a needle threader today, guys. This is being recorded on a Tuesday. The proportion of pipes and gas due to progress steadily climbs as these sorts of areas outnumber the natural habitat. For city dwellers, it's a strange. I like doing that seamless. It looks so much better. Hindus worship codes. They're seen as powerful, positive identities linked to heroes and kings. The famous god Shiva wears one as a necklace. God Shiva is responsible for. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mute my TV. I do apologize. Glad we weren't doing something complicated. Okay. Now as we start on this next part, it does not matter where you start. You can define your corners and start in a corner if you'd like, You can start in the middle, but from this point, you're just going to work it up as tall as you want it. You're going to end and begin each round because you don't want the colors to blend into each other or to give that funny wedge or that steppy look. So what we're going to do from this point is half double crochet. Now what you're going to do, on this first round, like I said, you can start anywhere. Just pick a stitch and you can get it to stay in. I'm doing a standing half double crochet, and what I meant by that is that I made my slip stitch onto my hook and then I yarned over. Let me try to do that where you can see it. Let's see if I can maneuver this so you can see it. How about this? Is this better? Okay, so we're going to do our slip stitch, and then we're going to yarn over, hold that tail down, and insert under any stitch. Pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to pull through all 3. You might have to maneuver it through that last one. That's fine. But now you have a standing half double crochet. And then you're going to half double crochet in each half double crochet in each stitch all the way around. I work over my tail. I don't know if you realize that I don't like sewing in tails. I will do it. I don't particularly care for it. I do know that I have 70 stitches going around. Now, why that's important is because you're going to want an even number of stitches. Because once we finish this round, it's going to turn into like the moss stitch, and we're going to need And I'm sorry, if you don't know how to do a half double crochet, it's yarn over, insert your hook into your work, grab your yarn and pull it back through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. That is a half double crochet in US terms. And you're going to continue this all the way around. If you hear me breathing funny, please forgive me. I have asthma, and with the temperatures not deciding whether they want to be up or down, It's really wreaking havoc on my asthma, so sometimes I'll sound like a little baby wailing in the background. It's just me wheezing. Okay, hold on. Got to mess up. There we go. I caught it. Okay, we're coming close to the end of this round. Woohoo! Okay, that is stitch number 70. And I'm going in the top. And that slip stitch that I made at the top of that stitch, and I am going to slip stitch into my work, tighten it up, seal it off. I'm not taking it out. Now, right in that same stitch, I'm going to place another half double crochet. I'm going to chain one, skip a stitch, go into the next half double crochet, chain one, skip a stitch, go into the next half double crochet, and I'm going to continue doing this all the way around and all the way as tall as I want my basket. I'm going to come back at the end of this round and show you how to advance from here